Hello, today we will guide you through how to use coupons on Joyagoo. In this walkthrough, we'll show you how to find the coupon area in your Joyagoo account and apply a coupon code correctly. This is a simple process, and once you know where everything is, it only takes a moment. To begin, go to the Joyagoo website. Make sure the page has fully loaded so all the navigation options are visible. If you are not already signed in, you may need to log into your account before continuing, since coupon redemption is usually handled inside your account area. Once you're on the site, look to the top right corner of the page and click on your profile account icon. This will open the account-related options and give you access to the settings and tools connected to your profile. From the menu that appears, click on My Account. This will take you to your account dashboard or user center, where you can manage different parts of your account, including available coupon features. When you arrive in the account area, locate the coupon section. Here, you'll want to copy the sample or provided coupon code you intend to use. Be careful to copy the code exactly as shown, including any letters, numbers, or special formatting if applicable. Even a small typo can prevent the code from working properly. After copying the coupon code, move to the field on the right side of the coupon area and paste the code into the box. Pasting instead of typing can help avoid mistakes and make the process faster. Before you continue, take a quick look at the code in the field to confirm it appears correctly and that there are no extra spaces before or after it. Once everything looks right, click on Exchange. This is the action that submits the coupon code to your account. After clicking, give the page a moment to process the request. If the coupon is valid, it should be successfully added or redeemed in your account. If the code does not work, double-check that it was copied correctly and that it has not expired. Also make sure you are using it in the correct section of your Joyagoo account. And that's it. You've now seen how to use coupons on Joyagoo, from opening your account settings to pasting the code and completing the exchange. Thanks for watching, and we hope this helps make your next shopping experience a little easier.